guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Now I just wanted to take a quick sec to remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for new video notifications. And like the videos if you guys like the content I'm providing. And always comment on the videos. I love hearing what you guys have to say. Guys, I came across this article today, What Volatility? How Facebook's historic loss became crypto's gain. Now I'm just going to let you know this isn't a Ripple XRP related video in particular. However, it does talk about Facebook's recent stock crash and how that relates to the cryptocurrency market. So you might be interested for those reasons. Just going to start reading the article here. July 26th might be forever remembered as one of the darkest days in Facebook's history, or at the very least for its shareholders. An otherwise unassuming Thursday, the day saw the social media giant lose more than $120 billion in market value. The biggest loss in one day for any US traded company. Now guys, that's huge, okay? Biggest loss for any US traded company in one day. And as you can see here, this is Facebook on the daily, and it was up here on Wednesday and then collapsed all the way down to here by Thursday. And this was the Friday trading day. It didn't look much better, okay? According to Bloomberg, the loss is a direct result of the company's second quarter report on sales and user growth figures, which fell short of analyst projections along with months of scandals and criticisms regarding data privacy. So guys, as we know, Facebook's been having a lot of problems recently. Obviously, their user base isn't growing, and the scandals and the privacy breaches are a big concern. But if the social media giant was already having its worst day ever, crypto advocates were there to maybe make it just a little worse. If you're wondering how Facebook's loss could have possibly been associated with cryptocurrency, the answer is simple. It all started with a comparison between the values of Bitcoin and Facebook. So, let me read some tweets here. Perspective, Facebook lost the entire market cap of BTC. That's 47% of the entire crypto market cap overnight. Of course, crypto supporters could not let it go, as cryptocurrencies have long been criticized for being volatile by traditional market views. It's so volatile, why would you want to invest in something that can just drop 20% in a day? Why would you put your money anywhere that is that risky? It sounds to me like a massive scam, Ponzi scheme, and the bubble is clearly bursting, me on the topic of Facebook stock. So obviously these guys are, giving a few jabs at Facebook stock. It's a traditional stock in the stock market. However, these are the same people, the SEC, who are, in the midst of regulating certain cryptocurrencies. And, we know that there have been criticisms, and obviously these crypto enthusiasts are poking fun at this, which I find kind of funny. Let's just get back to that first tweet for a second. Facebook lost the entire market cap of BTC, 47% of the entire crypto market cap overnight. If I can just point out a bigger point here. So if Facebook lost the entire market cap of Bitcoin in one fell swoop, to me, guys, that just reinforces the fact of how small the cryptocurrency market truly is. And once it becomes regulated, once that institutional money is able to be injected into the crypto market, that Bitcoin is currently the biggest part of the crypto market. Well, that was only 20% of Facebook, which is one tech stock in the US stock market, which is a huge space. Anyway, again, just reinforcing the numbers here and just understanding how small the cryptocurrency market still is, right? Scroll down here. Facebook loses more market cap in a single day than the entirety of Bitcoin in existence, and people say Bitcoin is overvalued. If Facebook is a backbone to the internet, blockchain is a backbone to Internet 3.0, and we are still very young industry. Yes, of course. So the seemingly tenuous nature of Facebook's stock price led to draw some comparisons with the volatility. So guys, there's more tweets here. People tweeting about the Winklevoss twins, obviously, because they own a lot of Bitcoin. Revenge is sweet, yada, yada, yada. And then, of course, there are proponents that are disputing this. So not everyone was buying the Facebook stock and cryptocurrency comparison, however. Some Twitter users who said they believe that conflating Facebook and cryptocurrency is a meaningless exercise. Looks like you have zero knowledge on markets. Facebook generates earnings for its shareholders. What does Bitcoin generate, right? And then this person down here talks about, yes, but Facebook's volatility is negligible compared to cryptocurrencies. The expectation on Facebook to beat Wall Street estimates quarter after quarter, year after year since 2015 has always been taken for granted, and yes, they are having issues with security. Guys, it's just kind of funny that this has recently happened for Facebook, and it is unfortunate for the shareholders. However, it just goes to show you, right, even in the stock market, things happen. And when I look at the Bitcoin chart, I don't have it up here right now, but when I do look at that, I just look at that as a healthy correction. When a market just shoots up like that so bullishly, like we had in the last bull run, and then corrects 85%, to me that's normal. Obviously, because it cannot sustain that. Facebook's had all these problems. They finally released their second quarter results, and boom, stock's down here. Anyways, guys, a little sidebar too. If you want to buy Facebook, you should probably wait if it goes here or lower. See kind of where, because this is kind of the next support level where you'd want to buy Facebook if you do want to buy Facebook. Ultimately, I do think Facebook will still continue to do well over the years. They just got to sort out a few things. Anyways, guys, what do you think? Is Facebook a bubble? Or is comparing cryptos to Facebook kind of not really the same thing? Tell me what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.